Welcome back to SRC. This week's theme is Dream Big.
And today we are reading Ta-Da by Kathy Ellen Davis.
And we'll also be making fork monsters, so stay tuned.
Hey guys, today we are reading Ta-Da by Kathy Ellen Davis, illustrated by Kalani Guanita, and published by Chronicle Books. If you'd like to listen to Ta-Da, click the link in the description below.
Today we'll be making fork monsters, so let's jump in.
For this craft, you will need some cardstock or paper, some plastic forks, paints of various colors, googly eyes, a Sharpie, and a hot glue gun. To start, you're going to draw some random shapes with a Sharpie. These will be the bodies of your monsters. Now grab your plastic fork and dip it into some paint and use it as a stamp. So press the fork into the paper and fill the whole shape up of your monster. Once your fork monsters are all dry, you can add some more details with a Sharpie. I chose to outline the outside of the monsters, as well as adding some arms and legs. You could also add horns or tails, whatever you're feeling. Now it's time to add some eyes to our monsters. So grabbing some googly eyes, place them roughly where you'd like them on all the different monsters. Play around with how many eyes you give each monster and the different locations on where you place them. Then once you're happy with the placement of the eyes, just use some hot glue to secure them down. On another piece of paper, draw out some different mouths for your monsters. Again, play with different elements and sizes. Make sure the lines are thick enough that you can cut around the different mouths. Once you've finished drawing your mouths, cut them out. Now place the different mouths on the different monsters and glue them down. And you're all done.
And this is how our monsters turned out. Have fun, guys.
Thanks for tuning in.